There were questions that were asked, and I can't respond to the one which our judge said, matters in court, you don't talk about them outside of court. Now, if I've been charged, then let us go to court, where we listen to accusations or whatever. With regard to the man, I'm just forgetting his name, who said that he has raised, he has made charges against me. But it's a very wonderful story that we'll talk one day. How did this man met Zuma? And what Zuma said to him? And where Zuma sent him to do what? For what reasons? It's a very nice story. Partly because Zuma, as one of those who were trained for underground, when he decided to take actions against his organization, he went underground. And this was part of underground work. That Zuma must not say, I've either done this and done this. Zuma must send some very much unknown people to undertake certain things. Those are the rules of underground. I'm just telling you the story that will be told at the right time.